Hi, my name's Eddie Bazil and I'm your tutor for this series of video tutorials, teaching you everything you need to know about compression and compressors. Most online tutorials concentrate on what we refer to as feed-forwarding compression, but they're missing out on so much. A compressor is far more than just a dynamic management tool. It is also a sculpting tool that can create hard-hitting transients to swelling bodies that pump through your mix. The series starts off with an explanation of what a compressor is, how it works and how to use it, with emphasis on the various parameters available and how to tweak them to achieve desirable results. No compression tutorial is complete without a thorough explanation of the various modes of compression, and I've made sure to cover all the various modes in detail. Downward and upward compression, downward and upward expansion are all critical modes that we engineers use in the studio for specific dynamic management tasks. The series continues with an explanation of the various compressor topologies or designs available in today's market. It's one thing being told to use a compressor on a certain sound, but what type of compressor? I make sure to cover all the usual culprits, from FET to variable MU, from solid state to opto. And it doesn't end there. Multiband compression comes next, and I guide you through the different parameters on offer and delve deep into how to use a multiband compressor. After that, we get into limiting, with videos covering brick wall limiting, transparent limiting, all the way to negative limiting. And finally, I cover the sidechain of a compressor. Arguably, the most useful function available on a compressor is its sidechain. This is where the real action takes place, and I'll show you how to use it to duck basses and kicks when they're fighting for the same space, how we use it with upward and downward expansion, and so on. I cover all that you need to know about the sidechain filter, how to set it up for managing the dynamics of your mix, and so on. Theory is never enough to convey a principle, so I've made sure to include lots of before and after audio examples for all the principles covered in this series. My aim is to make sure that by the time you've finished this course, you will instinctively know which compressor to use for any given task and how to use it with total confidence. I would like to thank you for trusting this product and for your confidence in me. We take your education very seriously and endeavour to provide you with detailed course tuitions that are delivered in a friendly yet professional atmosphere. All I ask in return is that you practice and practice until the processes are instinctive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.